Very pleasant morning to one and all gathered here. I am A.Gugan of Standard 10th. I am studying in Campaign Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. First of all, I would like to thank Leisure Academy for giving this wonderful opportunity. I am going to present the topic of Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a process high-speed transportation system for both public and founder Elon Musk, CEO of PayPal, Space 10th X and Tesla motor. It is a fifth mode of transportation. Hyperloop is proposed of passenger and transportation first used to describe an open source designing replaced by a joint team Tesla motor and Space X. Hyperloop consists of low pressure tubes which capsule that are transport are both low and high speed throughout the length of the tubes. The concept of Hyperloop. The concept of Hyperloop, the capsule full of people in a low pressure tube elevated on Palaison goes really fast. Components of Hyperloop. It consists of linear motor, that is the short route for the LIMI will be designing a port. The port will have permanent magnet embedded within it. Capsule port tubes proportional magnet elevations. The capsule in Hyperloop is an enclosed reduced pressure tube. The capsule are supported VAA or air bearing, operate using compressor reservoir and aerodynamic lift. The tubes is made up of steel. Two tubes welded together in a side-by-side conference to allow the capsule to travel both directions. Pylons are placed every 100 feet. 30 meters the support the tubes. Solar array will cover the tops of the tube in order to provide power of the system. Propulsion. Linear intuition motor will help the capsule to propel forward. LIM is special process system that we use to achieve reticular motion rather than rotation motion as the case of conventional motor. Linear motor is a rotatory motor where it rotates and wind have been cut open laid out fault. The working principle is the same. Magwell train, that is, the train is elevated and provided forward by using powerful electromagnetic. So the principle of Hyperloop is based on the property of magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation use magnetic field to levitate the object. Magnetic reduce friction by removing direction cannot from the tongue. There are two methods to achieve magnetic levitation: electromagnetic supervision, electrodynamic supervision. 6 to 8 passengers per capsule. There are capsules per train. The tubes could be above or below ground, designing to withstand earthquake. The technology offers very fast speed of transportation, which is tweets of artificial. It has very low power consumption. It is low cost transportation system on long run. It is imposed to bad weathering condition. It is a safe and green mode of transportation system. Earthquake resistance. 100% clean, environment friendly, no noise pollution. Disadvantages. Turning will be critical. Experience could be frightening. It has very high risk life when something wrong happened to the system. As Hyperloop use steel to track, he explained and change shape when outside temperature is changed. They may destroy the track of Hyperloop technology. In India is on 4th position of transportation in the world. It is the fastest and last mode of transportation which will benefit the public. Conclusion.